G'day and welcome to Labelexpo. My name is Wayne Robinson, editor of Print 21 magazine, and I'm here today on the HP stand with Mark Daws, director of Labels and Packaging at Curry Group. G'day, Mark.
G'day, Wayne. Nice to see you again, mate.
Yeah, it's good to be here. Mark, the HP stand, it'll be the biggest stand at the show. Plenty going on here, including the launch of the V12 120 meters a minute digital label press. Can you tell us about that machine?
Yes, indeed, it is a very exciting time. It's great to be back in Brussels again. After 4 years, we're showing the Indigo V12 for the first time. It's launching into the market, 120 meters a minute, up to 12 colors, really targeting the digital mindset of thinking digital first. So if you're targeting flexo runs, real flexo print runs, and competitively maybe up to 2 to 3 flexo presses in equivalent.
So what you're saying is the new V12 HP Indigo is looking to replace 2 or 3 existing analog flexo presses with its output they can produce.
Absolutely, absolutely. It's doing over 7 kilometers an hour in terms of print runs, so you can quickly do the maths and see it's a very highly productive press using all of the Indigo ink sets that our customers enjoy today, and we truly believe this is a game-changing platform for the industry.
Yeah, because up until now, obviously, digital printing and label print technology have been for the shorter runs. But if you're talking 7 kilometers an hour, that's not a short run, is it?
Not at all. It's very much pushing the boundaries. If you remember in the early days of digital, it was very, very slow runs, or very, very slow speed. So yes, it's really pushing the boundaries of bigger print runs, more agile production runs, multi-SKUs, and still enjoying the same quality that we see today on the Indigo 6K platform.
Okay, and as far as Australia and New Zealand are concerned, obviously different markets to Germany, Japan, the UK, the US.
Yep.
The V12, is it an applicable press for our markets?
I think very much so, particularly for sites with older flexo technology that are looking to replace, or potentially digital-only customers that have that already a digital mindset. It's an easier leap to get into that space. There's no need for tooling. They already understand the world of digital. So I absolutely think it's going to find its place within the Australian-New Zealand region.
Okay, and it's a new technology for HP as well, isn't it?
Very much so. It's the LEPX technology. Without getting too technical, that's allowed us to go at much greater speeds, only 2 fixed speeds in fact, as opposed to variable speeds. Okay.
All right, and the V12 isn't the only new machine on the booth here, on the stand here, because we've also got behind us the HP 200K.
Yes, we do. It's the launch of another new product introduction. There's 2 from HP at this show, which is the Indigo 200K. Again, up to 45% more productive than the current Indigo 20,000 platform that we've been used to seeing, and as you know, we've got those in the Australian market. What you'll see here at the show is a digital pouch factory with thermal lamination, a brand new designed pouch line from Carville, Swiss, which will have digital die cutting and digital seaming. So again, without the use of tools, faster automation, faster speed to market. So we're super excited. It's already getting a lot of attention.
Yeah, well, anyone that goes to a supermarket or an airport shop or a retailer, convenience store, sees that pouches are really proliferating like nobody's business these days, aren't they?
Absolutely, absolutely. And obviously with the technology, the ability to print on monofilms, recyclable, it's all part of the strategy towards HP's being CO2 neutrality within 2035. So it's really, really exciting for the industry.
Yeah, because obviously sustainability is one of the key themes of this show. HP's at the forefront of sustainable thinking, isn't it?
Very much so. We've already had, in fact, Australia was the first country to launch the take-back program with our consumables. So a lot of the ink cans, some ink cartridges or bid units are sent back, recycled, repurposed. A lot of the parts of machines have been repurposed as well. They're all CO2 neutral manufactured. So it's very strong sustainable messaging from HP.
Okay, well, Mark, thanks so much for your time here on the show. I know you're busy. There's a lot of printers come over from Australia and New Zealand, especially on your tour, quite a few. Very
much so. We've just had 20 or so of our customers in Amsterdam visiting a couple of different plants who are beta trialling the new Indigo V12, multiple platforms, both conventional and digital. So a really exciting time.
Okay, and we should also mention, of course, that the HP Indigo 6K digital press, ever popular, is on the booth as well, on the stand as well.
Absolutely, our flagship product. We're still selling double-digit volumes every year. It's sitting here alongside a really unique spec from ABG, which is doing digital embellishments and laser die cutting finished on the stand. So yeah, still very much a popular product for our industry with a lot of short run sizes. So
and Mark, why is that? Because obviously there's a lot of digital presses on the market now. Why do printers buy HP Indigo 6K?
The Indigo 6K, the Indigo technology in itself is probably the most versatile in terms of application range, whether that's on, filmic substrates, flexible packaging, shrink sleeves, up to folding carton thickness materials. So we really cover the whole gamut of the industry. Quality obviously is our foremost advantage. The number of ink sets, specialty inks, visible inks, brand protection, anti-counterfeit. So it really does tick a lot of boxes. And of course, in an industry like ours, which is consolidating and shrinking in terms of number of players, they need some of the best technology on the market to be able to compete, and that's where Indigo holds its own.
Okay, good. Well, that's a real insight, Mark. Thanks so much for your time here. Appreciate that. And now, this is Wayne Robinson from Print 21 and Mark Daws, Curry Group, signing off, saying goodbye.
Thank you, Wayne. Good luck, everybody.
Yeah, goodbye for now.